Hi family, welcome amazing viewers online. In this trip, let's solve this subtraction problem. 95 minus 27. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 5 minus 7. But I can't do it because 5 is smaller than 7. So we must borrow. You go to the 9 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it. So the 5 becomes 15 and 9 becomes 8. Now we have 15 minus 7, which equals 8. Write 8 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Write 6 in the tens place. So 95 minus 27 equals 68. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe and to comment your thoughts.